And now our final award presenter is Bruce Clafter. Bruce is not only the VP of Corporate Social and Environmental Responsibility at Flex, but the co-chair of the Business Environment Awards program. Please welcome Bruce Clafter to the stage.
Thank you, Matt. Good evening, everybody. It's a pleasure to be here. I just want to add before I make the introduction that it's a real honor for me to present this particular award. I've been involved in this program for many years, and one of the differences between this award and some of the awardees that you've just seen is we're looking not only at the goods and services that are provided by the organizations, but also at their operations. So this represents, in some sense, Actera's highest honor. It's the award for sustainability. And it not only represents the leadership demonstrated by this recipient, but also the fact that they're contributing to all three pillars of sustainability. So how they treat their people, how they help preserve our planet, and for organizations who are in the business of making a profit, how they also achieve that at the very same time. So these recipients over the years have varied greatly in terms of size and purpose and so on, but they have one thing in common. They've got a passion and a strong and heartfelt intention, and commitment to sustainability. Tonight's honoree is Langan Engineering and Environmental Services Incorporated, and they are literally, as you're going to see in a moment, tackling sustainability from below the ground up. You'll understand that in a moment. A few words about Langan. They're an engineering services firm with over 1,000 employees and 28 offices, and their sustainability program started as a grassroots volunteer effort almost 20 years ago. And through this effort, they earned, among other recognitions, the Bay Area Green Business Certification. From that certification, their program evolved into a much wider corporate sustainability program. One thing they do is they track their energy usage in all their offices, including transportation. Their offices happen to be LEED certified. And one interesting thing is they intentionally located each of those offices within walking distance of public transportation. Each office has a local green team that's doing some outstanding work. And one of the initiatives they undertook was they established an internal award called the Sustainable Project of the Year Award. And that's a particular engineering project undertaken by their teams that exemplifies the triple bottom line. In 2018, they remarkably offset their entire calculated operational carbon footprint, and they formalized a CSR, or Corporate Social Responsibility program. And they're committed to scaling this effort up so they can influence both environmental and social contributions throughout the engineering design services industry, not only for their client projects, but for others. And one of the things that they've done is they've developed their own sustainable statement of qualifications so they can demonstrate this to their prospective clients. So we believe in making this award to them that they are a leadership model for peer firms about how to do well, not only financially, but while supporting environmental stewardship, social responsibility, and transformative leadership. Accepting the award on behalf of Langan is Dorinda Shipman, who's both the principal and vice president of the company.
Well, we are so honored that Actera has recognized our program, knowing the high value of leadership they have in the environmental and sustainability world. We've been in the land recycling business for almost 50 years, and it's our privilege to help clients with repurposing and cleaning up contaminated properties for reuse, both residential, commercial, and open space reuse, which definitely gives back to the social, environmental, and economic aspects of the communities where we live and work. So we really enjoy that aspect of our work. As was noted in the video, our corporate program really was a grassroots and volunteer effort by a number of like-minded individuals in the firm, which grew to a desire for a wider corporate program, and sustainability became a strategic initiative for us in 2012. And a group of champions within the firm then developed our corporate program, which was approved in 2014. But the success of our program could only happen if everyone at every level of the firm is involved and engaged in the program. And so the group of individuals with me tonight really represent that cross-section of folks. Mira Koda is our sustainability intern. She really helped us achieve some of our recent goals in sustainability. Kristen Leese leads our green team in the San Francisco office. So she's the one encouraging folks not to use so much paper and to bike to work. Barbara Spear is our business development manager and is out there promoting our sustainable design services and our corporate program. And Chris Glenn, our sustainability director, his passion for sustainability has really pushed our program forward. And he's really the reason we're here tonight. But we also have two members of the board here with us, and they and our executive team are behind us all the way. Phil Tringali is here in the Bay Area, and Andy Ciancia, the chairman of our board, came out from our New York City office to join us tonight. So we're very proud of that, and citizenship is one of Langan's core values, and our corporate social responsibility program encourages us all to give back and volunteer outside of our corporate program. We have volunteers locally at beach cleanups, park cleanups, tree plantings, folks who do bike rides to support climate action organizations. Then we're a corporate sponsor of Engineers Without Borders. And we have folks who volunteer around the world to improve water supply and conveyance in parts of the world where folks are quite disadvantaged. But we give back to numerous organizations every year, and we all really love doing it. As proud as we are of our accomplishments, though, we know there's a lot more we can do. And it's been a real inspiration to see all the other work that all the folks in this room have been doing as part of their work. And it's very encouraging that we can all, as previous speakers mentioned, collaboration, but I think with us and leadership from organizations like Actera, there's a lot more we can do to improve the condition of our planet for future generations. So thank you very much.